Some of you guys are coming from different backgrounds, from different trainings, from different courses, and you are like stuck because remember, what was working yesterday, it doesn't matter today. What was working last month doesn't matter today. Today you have to do what works today and the future, okay? That's why you have to do the way in progressive way. Don't be caught up by those old way of listings. What I mean by this, because when you start $7.99, some of you are still looking for the products with the old mindset. What is the best selling? What is the seasonal product right now? No, don't do this. Some of you, when you are coming to $7.99 and you have not been in my alpha course, some of you don't know really what the titles are. Some of you are putting descriptions in the titles. Some of you are putting commas and numbers and all sorts of different like hyphens in the titles. Guys, this is not how eBay reads your title. You have to know a little bit how eBay works generally, okay? Some of you, if your title is wrong, obviously your keywords will gonna be wrong. And obviously your views and sales will gonna be very low because this is just like a chain. Okay, if the title is wrong, I can see your title, and by your title I can determine if you have sales or not. Because if your title is lousy and a very like a strange way made, so there is no chance that you have a good keywords, because your keywords must be connected with your title and with your pictures. Okay, which means if you have broken chain there, the success is not working there. It's the same like you are driving the bike with the broken chain, okay? It's a good comparison actually. It's the same like here. If you have broken chain, it doesn't happen things like it should happen there. If your keywords okay, your description okay, your pictures okay, your specifics okay, your settings okay, you have to be running very well up now. Okay, on your week number 2, on your week number 3, or your week number 4, on your week number 5, you have to have sales almost every day. That's just the result of having nice progress, okay, of sales, and you can start make money. So, guys, please pay attention what's happening on your account. You don't have to experience all that pain there. This have to be nice, smooth, go up. It's up to you. You have to develop that. Look at your account yourself. Okay? Look at your titles and see if this is really the title or you just copy and paste from somewhere. Watch the videos. I have been posting videos in $7.99 about I gave just recently, a week ago or something, how to make title. Rewatch the video, because title determines you will gonna have sales or you will be desperately looking for sales. You don't have desperately look for sales. Sales must be natural result of just doing $7.99 in a normal way, how it works. Okay, if you have questions or if you are not sure if you are doing right titles, please PM me. Okay, on a Facebook, PM me and ask, hey Andrew, here is the link, what you have to do, don't have to ask forth and back, but please send me one link from your listed product. You listed something, take that link, send it to me and ask me, Andrew, can you please check if I'm doing good with the titles, okay? And I will gonna take a quick look and answer you if it's possible. If I forget someone, please don't be mad at me. I'm getting hundreds of messages every day. Okay guys, this is not painful. This is really easy way to go. The only way you will experience some pain is it's just indication that you are doing something really wrong. It shouldn't be painful there at $7.99. Okay? Thanks for watching and be happy. Bye bye.